In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access your WordPress dashboard in Hostinger. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you have all the knowledge you need to seamlessly manage your website using Hostinger's intuitive platform. Whether you're new to managing a website or you've dabbled a bit in the past, this guide will help you confidently navigate these essential features. Let's start by logging into your hPanel. This is Hostinger's version of a control panel, specifically designed to manage your hosting accounts with ease. Begin by opening your web browser and entering the URL for Hostinger's login page. Once there, you'll want to enter your account credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. Hostinger offers a password recovery option, making it straightforward to reset your login information. Once logged in, you'll land on the hPanel dashboard. With access to the hPanel, the next step is finding the Websites section. Here, you'll find a comprehensive overview of all the websites you are currently hosting. Take a moment to locate the Manage option for the specific WordPress site you want to work on. This option is usually prominently displayed, allowing you to dive right into managing your website's settings. By clicking on Manage, you'll enter the control hub for your WordPress site. In the Management dashboard, you'll want to search for the WordPress or WordPress Overview section. This section is essentially the gateway to all things WordPress on your site. Once there, you'll notice a variety of tools and features that can help you optimize and enhance your site's performance and appearance. Now let's talk about the Maintenance Mode switch. Hostinger includes a built-in maintenance mode feature, which is exceptionally handy. It's a toggle that allows you to display a maintenance page to visitors while you're making changes or updates to your site. To enable maintenance mode, look for the appropriately labeled toggle switch. Simply switch it to the on position. This action usually causes the toggle to turn red, indicating that the mode is active. With this maintenance mode engaged, your visitors will see a maintenance page, keeping them in the loop about the temporary unavailability of your site. Once you've made your updates or changes and are ready for your site to be fully accessible again, all you need to do is toggle the switch to the off position. This will deactivate maintenance mode, making your website available to the public once more. Navigating the Hostinger platform to access your WordPress dashboard is straightforward once you know where to look. Remember, taking advantage of features like the maintenance mode can improve your site management significantly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and feel more empowered to handle your WordPress site with confidence. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you on your website management journey.